What the heck? Okay, bruh, really? That's great. Oh, it's for water from here. That's okay, bruh.
Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, North Central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Well,
Northampton
what the
County
heck,
in eastern
dude?
Pennsylvania, Southern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania,
Okay, wow.
Central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m.
What the heck?
At 4:49 p.m.
Additional rainfall
thunderstorms
Hold on.
in the warned area.
between 1 and 2
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
rainfall amounts of 1 to 2
Hazards,
inches are
flash
possible
flooding
in the
caused
warned
by
area.
thunderstorms.
Flash flooding is
Source,
ongoing or
radar.
expected to begin shortly.
Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
Let's get WXL39.
As well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
Turn around, drown when encountering flooded roads. Flood depths occurring. Children away from streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Heavily terrain zones hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous for heavy rains. Do not
What the heck?
flooded roads.
Culverts, creeks, and streams.
Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to
This is crazy, huh?
or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers can avoid
Bruh.
streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding.
This is insane. What the heck?
Services or law enforcement and request a passes information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Please report flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement.
Alright, what the heck?
Information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Well, this is insane.
Repeating, a flash flood.
Oh, and then he decided to cut off. What the heck? That's perfect. Okay, what double header? Bro, are you serious? Oh, come on. Another FFW. Bruh. Come on. Really?
Southeastern New York may result in
Of course that had to happen, bro. Come on. Another FFW, bro.
producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Are you serious?
Between 0.5 and 1 inch of
Alright.
rain
What
has
the
fallen.
heck, bro?
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches
This
are
is
possible
crazy.
in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Wow.
Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks
What the
and
heck?
streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stamford, New Canaan, Greenwich, Hawthorne, Pleasantville, Armagh, and Thornwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county:
What the heck?
Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York.
Alright.
The National Weather Service in Upton